Okay, good evening, everyone. Welcome to another book review session by the Bibliophile family. Today, we have an award winning book with us, reviewed by one and only Amiji. Heart Lamp was the winner of Booker Prize 2025, and India got it through Banu Mushtaq ji and Deepa Bashti ji. So, it's an honor for us discussing this book and reviewing this book. Over to you, Amiji.
Hello, good evening, everyone, and thank you so much, Palak, for giving me this opportunity. And it is an absolute pleasure that I am reviewing Heartlamp, though not reviewing in the sense I'll be reviewing only one story in totality. Because, like I always say, that if you review the entire thing, then people might not be as tempted to read it, so I don't want to be the spoiler for others. So I'll just be reviewing the titular story, Heartlamp. But before we get on with the main presentation, I'd just like to say a few words about the story. I'll also start my presentation. Please let me know if you can see it. Is the presentation visible to all of
Yes.
you? Thank you. Thank you so much. So, this is the cover page of the book that we are reviewing today. Uh, I just loved the layout of the cover page. Okay, so let's start with a couple of questions to warm us up into the story review. Now, I have a question, friends, for all of you, that when you listen to domestic conversations um, on a daily basis, and when you see them in a book, how would your reaction be? Like, what happens, when everyday domestic conversations, the kind that we overhear in kitchens or in courtyards, हमारे यहाँ courtyards तो इतने नहीं देखने को मिलते हैं, but veranda जिसको बोलते हैं, या phone call पे. And when we hear these conversations and we realize that, well, they seem dangerous, they sound dangerous, would you still keep reading to find out, or would you just leave it at that? Can someone just try and answer this for me? I'm sorry. क्या आप आगे पढ़ना चाहेंगे ऐसा कुछ? Will it you know intrigue your curiosity, or will it make you read it further, or would you just leave it at that?
So I'll get scared, I think, initially,
Uh,
but the
yes.
curiosity in me will be overpowering my fear, and I'll continue reading. Rupa ji is telling she'll leave
She,
it.
okay, okay, fine. Uh, then, when we talk of short stories, imagine stories where almost nothing big is happening on the surface, yet you finish each one feeling quietly shaken. आप जब बुक खोलते हैं, किताब खोलते हैं, पढ़ना शुरू करते हैं, the language is so simple that you feel, well, इसमें कुछ नहीं है, but by the end of it, you are completely on tenterhooks. You are shaken, maybe a tear or two. In that case, would you be willing to let a book of that kind unsettle you without ever raising its voice? There's nothing big, nothing, कोई ढोल नहीं बज रहे, कोई नगाड़े नहीं बज रहे, and yet that book leaves you shaken. So just think about it. Will you let such a book unsettle you? Feel free to answer in between or say something in between. Otherwise, it's okay. I just want you to think about it. Well, then again, if a story collection won the International Booker Prize for showing the lives of ordinary Muslim women in Karnataka, and the judges called it stealthily devastating, what kind of writing do you picture? Please try and answer this for me.
It's actually scary and
Mm-hmm.
risky as well, because risking our mental peace. Oh,
Absolutely same answer.
Okay.
It
Okay.
depends, हर कोई कौन कैसे लेते हैं वो आंसर.
Right. Okay.
So we do not want to take that type of risk.
Okay. Great.
Yes, agree.
Thank you. Okay. And then, how often do the most painful things in our lives get said in the most ordinary sentences? Let's say about food, clothes, weddings, illnesses. Now, यही सब छोटी छोटी बातें जब साहित्य बनती हैं, are you ready to see that turned into literature? This is something very powerful. You know, it often reminds you of मुझे जब ये क्वेश्चन ऐसे दिमाग में चल रहा था, तो मुझे अचानक से प्रेमचंद जी की याद आ गई. You know, likes of Premchand, likes of people we have read who write about Rabindranath Tagore for that matter. You know, choti choti baatein, and such beautiful literature we have before us, and timeless classics. You know, classics which have stood the test of time. तभी उनको classics बोला जाता है. नो टचस्टोन को क्रॉस करके, उसका लिटमस टेस्ट क्रॉस करके, they have become great literature. So I'm sure for those who haven't read Heartland, if you read it, you will feel that this is definitely a classic in making. It has already won the International Booker's Prize, उसमें दो मत नहीं है. बट क्लासिक कब माना जाता है? जब वो सालों साल लोगों को अपील करता है. तो ये एक ऐसा कलेक्शन डेफिनेटली है. वेदर शी राइट्स मोर और नॉट, वी डोंट नो. वेदर बानूजी और लिखेंगी कि नहीं, वेल इट डिपेंड्स ऑन हर. बट ये कलेक्शन क्लासिक बन के रहेगा. ओके, moving on, I'd like to reflect upon who Banu Mushtaq really is. So, she was born and she's based out of Karnataka, southern India. She's been a writer, activist, journalist, and lawyer. And she's actually championed women's rights and protested caste and religious oppression. She actually began writing in the 1970s and 80s as a part of the progressive Bandaya Sahitya movement, which was known as protest literature critiquing caste and class systems. And she was one of the few women in influential Dalit and Muslim literary circles. I'm sure 70s, 80s में जब बानूजी ने लिखना शुरू किया होगा, she would not have imagined that she would come up with a collection, and it'll win the International Booker Prize, making it actually the first story collection and the first work originally in Kannada to win this prestigious award. So I'm sure she would never have imagined that. Uh, Banu Mushtaq has argued more domestic violence cases than most of us have had birthdays. Well, it is a fact, and पढ़ के थोड़ी सी हंसी भी आ जाती है. बट दिस इज़ अ सैड फैक्ट ऑफ लाइफ. जब डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस की बातें आती हैं, तो शी हैज़ एक्चुअली स्टूड फॉर द कॉज, शी स्टूड अप फॉर द कॉज. And the great part of her writing career, I think it began when, every evening after court, she wrote stories about the same women she defended in the morning. I sometimes feel when I read this about her, I felt that maybe she wanted to, immortalize these women she was fighting for. She felt so much for them that she used to actually write stories about them. कि कभी भूलना नहीं है इनको. And she's proven it, she's given them a place in her book, which we all are going to be reading. So, at the age of 68, the literary world finally noticed what those women always knew, that she's a national treasure. जिनके लिए उन्होंने लड़ाई करी, वो तो जानते ही थे कि इनमें कुछ खास बात है. And at the age of 68, the literary world has finally come to know that what metal she's made of. Well, this is Banu Mushtaqji, International Booker Prize winner 2025. She's an author of six short story collections, one novel, an essay collection, and a poetry collection, all written in Kannada. एंड उनके जो काम है उनको प्रीवियसली ट्रांसलेट करा गया है उर्दू हिंदी तमिल और मलयालम में एंड she's won a couple of awards and majorly she draws from personal experiences to illuminate women's issues in Muslim and especially the Dalit communities. So just a fun thing, I'm sorry. Which profession surprises you more? Her being a lawyer or her being a writer? But I feel it's her being a woman that has made her what she is. Not that a man will not do or cannot do, but what happens is when a woman stands up for a woman, uh, there is support, there is so much of backing, there is so much of understanding. और वो चीज़ शायद एक औरत ही समझ पाती है. Nothing against the other gender. I respect them a lot. So, yes, only a woman can understand. So maybe that is what has made her a great lawyer and a great writer too, because she wrote out of experience. She did whatever she did out of her daily experiences. हम जैसे कहते हैं ना, नो शोशा. आई डोंट थिंक, अगर आप उनकी फेस भी देख लेंगे तो शी इज अ वेरी सिंपल बीइंग, रिमाइंड्स अस ऑफ our own president, you know. So, well, that's the beauty of it, I think. I feel. All right, moving on. A little about the translator. We cannot forget the contribution of Deepa Bhasti, who was born in 1983. And she's an acclaimed Indian writer, literary translator, and journalist based in Madikeri, Kodagu, Karnataka. And she gained global recognition as the first Indian translator to win the International Booker Prize. So, well, this pair has been a dashing pair. Jordar Jodi Nikli. Okay, and the best part about Deepa Bhasti and her translations is that she carried it on her hip like a toddler. The stories, whispering Kannada lullabies into its ear until it started speaking fluent English with a Mangalorean accent. So this is the beauty of her translation. And when you will read the stories, or for those who have read the stories already, you will see that Deepa has left words like ammi, roti, namaz, all these words untouched on purpose. Because, some flavors, as they say, should never be dubbed. हम कई बार देखते हैं ना कि when we see foreign language movies, for that matter, जब वो डब होके आती है, you want to laugh at the way they have dubbed it and the way they have changed the words to suit that particular language, go with the particular language. Or maybe there is a misinterpretation. It seems so funny at times. So it's better to leave it untouched, and that is what Deepa has done. She's just left those things ताकि उसका भी एक flavor आ सके. So, yeah, there is this sentence here, Avala Hardaya Dali Ondu Deepa Itu. So, there was a small light in her heart. This is to do with the story. This is the way she has translated. A quick overview about the book. So it's been published in 2025 by And Other Stories. The original language of publication is Kannada, and the genre is short story collection. It has 12 stories spanning 1990 to 2023. Just imagine such a long period of time during which Banuji has written stories which focus on the everyday lives, the struggles, and quiet resilience of women and girls in Muslim communities in southern India. So, a long period, तो आप समझ सकते हैं कि वो तब से लिखती आ रही हैं, never wanting to go onto any platform, but has been um, you know, found out, has been taken on by the world. And most of her stories, they explore themes like patriarchy and gender inequality, family and community tensions, caste and religious oppression, reproductive rights, faith, power dynamics, and survival. So all these themes are so beautifully blended into these 12 stories. And if you read the stories, you will see that her writing, it blends dry humor, and there is a vivid colloquial style, बोलचाल की भाषा. ऐसा लगेगा जैसे आपसे कोई बातचीत कर रहा है. That is the beauty of her stories. There is wit also, and there is an emotional depth also in her stories. And you know, जो कैरेक्टर पोर्ट्रेयल करा है बानू जी ने, it has such audacious grandmothers, struggling mothers and children amid harsh realities, जो हम रोज बरोज देखते हैं, जिनको हम भी जानते हैं, हमारे आसपास हैं ऐसे लोग. इन सब चीजों को उन्होंने इतने ब्यूटीफुल तरीके से अपनी स्टोरीज में वीव करा है. या सो like I said, critiques of gendered violence, patriarchy intertwined, and capitalism, and the need for religious reform. उन्होंने किसी पे टिका नहीं करी है. She has not been didactic at all. She is not saying that there should be changes, but पढ़ के ऐसा लगता है जैसे अपने आप changes आना शुरू हो जाएंगे अगर लोग पढ़ेंगे. There will definitely come a time where people would want to change, because um, हम कहते हैं माइनॉरिटी कम्युनिटीज. सो माइनॉरिटी कम्युनिटी के बारे में भी बात है, माइनॉरिटी जेंडर के बारे में भी बात है, जिनको माइनॉरिटी की तरह ट्रीट करा जाता है. सो दैट इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ इट. दैट इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ हर स्टोरीज. मूविंग ऑन, coming to the titular story, Heart Lamp. So this particular story, it focuses on the themes of infidelity, familial pressure, societal despair, and maternal resilience. So the protagonist is a lady, Mehroon. She's been shown to be, not shown to be, she is a devoted wife and mother, but she flees her home after she discovers that her husband, Inayat, has been infidel. He's having an affair, or maybe he has another wife. So, what she does is she seeks refuge with her own family, her maternal place, जहाँ पे उसको रिजेक्शन मिलता है. शी हैज़ टू फेस दिस रिजेक्शन, और बजाय इसके कि उसको समझा जाए, उसका दर्द समझे, उसके भाई उसको एस्कॉर्ट करके पति के घर जाते हैं. ये प्रायोरिटी बताते हैं कि सोशली हम will be embarrassed if you come back home. You have to understand this is your life. You cannot come back, and all sorts of things. So, over her pain, social norms are being prioritized. Even her maternal family does not support her. So, what Inayat does, what the husband does, जब उसके भाई उसको छोड़ने आते हैं, he feigns kindness to her brothers. वो बोलता है कि हाँ, अच्छा किया आप लोग इसको लेके आए, मैंने तो नहीं बोला था जाने के लिए, all sorts of things. But privately, he ensures to threaten Mehroon and says that I will divorce you. And ये करते करते क्या होता है, मम्मी के घर की तरफ से भी कट ऑफ, हस्बैंड की तरफ से तो उसको धमकी मिल चुकी है. सो मेहरून इज completely isolated. Now, what happens? Some time passes by and her isolation keeps deepening. And then, in a moment of utter desperation, one evening, Mehroon tries self immolation, which is actually a stark symbol of her breaking spirit. कब तक एक इंसान खींच सकता है इस चीज को. How long can one bear? And they had multiple children already. Okay, so Mehroon's spirit is broken completely, and she goes into her garden and she douses herself with gasoline, and she is trying to set herself on fire. हम समझ सकते हैं कि किस हद तक उसको खींचा गया था, कि शायद इलास्टिसिटी भी खत्म हो गई थी. आता है ना ऐसा एक टाइम. It's really painful when you think of it. Even in otherwise day to day life, जब when I hear about people committing suicide, and you know people commenting over that, कि ऐसा तो क्या हो गया, ऐसे कैसे सुसाइड कर लिया, वो हम नहीं समझ सकते ना कि वो क्षण कैसा होता है. And also, we know that विनाशकाले विपरीत बुद्धि. सो वो ऐसा एक क्षण होता है जहाँ इंसान के अंदर की इलास्टिसिटी पूरी तरह से खत्म हो चुकी होती है, तभी जाके कोई इंसान ऐसा अटेम्प्ट करता है. सो फॉर मेहरून, despite the fact that she had children, so many children, she could not take it any longer. And that feeling of isolation, वो होता है ना, आप कई बार घर हरा भरा है, सब जगह आपके फ्रेंड्स है, सब लोग हैं, पर आप अकेले हो. वो तो अकेलेपन की जो फीलिंग होती है, that can be killing, and it drives, that same feeling drives her to the point of self immolation. And that is when Mehroon's eldest daughter Salma, she intervenes heroically. सलमा मतलब एल्डेस्ट डॉटर इतनी बड़ी भी नहीं है, 12-13 साल की है. बट होता है ना कि जो सबसे बड़ा फिर वो बाकी बच्चों का ध्यान रखता है. द मदर इज बिजी विथ हाउस होल्ड चोर्स, एंड मदर इज बिजी गिविंग बर्थ टू चिल्ड्रन. So we do know about these things as facts. So the elder daughter Salma, she intervenes heroically, and she offers solace, and she urges her mother to endure for the sake of her children. And she is the one who tells her mother कि अम्मी आपने तो हमें सिखाया था that never give up. So please read that carefully when you read the story. It is so beautiful. It is so simple, but it's so beautiful. And especially when a kid comes and tells you this, I think you let down all your defenses, all your arguments, and even when you are on the verge of self immolation, you give that up. That is the power that the innocence of children brings about. So finally, the story, it culminates in a poignant intergenerational exchange where Salma reminds Mehroon of the inner strength she has instilled in her daughters, because कोई माँ नहीं चाहेगी कि उसकी बेटी goes through the same things that she has gone through. So even for her, the mother would upkeep her strength, and that is what happens in this story. So she transforms despair into a flickering resolve, and that is the heart lamp of quiet inherited fortitude. So, well, this was the presentation, Chota Mota Jaisa Bhi. I wanted to give you a feel of the story and yet not give you the feel of the entire book. So, this is what I had planned for all of you. And before I formally end my presentation, I would like to thank TBF Palak Shungeri for this beautiful opportunity to share my views on this beautiful collection of stories. And a very big thank you to my fellow bibliophiles for your presence today and all your wordly and emoji participation today. I'm sorry I could not keep my camera on today because I was trying to flip between the Canva presentation and uh, the main platform. And I would also like to extend a heartfelt thanks to my daughter who's not around me right now, but she's the one who helped me prepare my presentation. Rather, she prepared my presentation for today. And I really hope you enjoyed it. And for those who haven't read it, I hope that you will all read it, and हम कभी ना कभी इन stories को दोबारा will request Palak that we can share our views. Yes, Rupaji, definitely power of daughter, and I have two, so I'm extremely powerful, and I'm blessed. So that is all from my end. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope I have been able to, uh, I don't know what, inspire you people to read it. So जिन्होंने नहीं पढ़ी है, please
Totally.
पढ़िए. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Amiji. First, we'll take a selfie, then we can move to discussions. And I would really like to share my views on this. Yes, everyone, you can turn on our cameras. Hello, Amiji, Shweta ji, Rupa ji. So good
Vinuji,
to
so
see
good
you
to
all.
see Vinuji after so long.
Ah,
Everybody, in fact. Thank you, everyone.
seriously. I would request all of you, let's turn on our cameras. Jyotsna ji, hi Sangeeta ji, hi Priya ji. सब लोग बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं. Reti ma'am, Aradhna. Okay. Ready? Smile, everyone. Amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you. So I have few things to share, and I would like to ask something as well. First of all, great literary presentation. Your words, your vocab is impeccable, and we love that about you. And I think not इससे ज़्यादा अच्छा book review I don't think any किसी नॉवेल का हो सकता है. एंड आई एम एक्सट्रीमली इलेटेड दैट वी आर मूविंग टूवर्ड्स self help to fiction to booker winning books. And it's a great progress from our end as a bibliophile as well. So congratulations everyone. Our reading taste is increasing, so thank you Amiji for taking up this book for all of us, because this is not an easy book to review. It's very emotional. After when I read it, uh, I was in shock and in trauma for a few days, because when you read, you feel a lot. So thank you for giving such a centralized, centric view, no bias, nothing. So thank you. Also, yes, this can be like yeah, last Richa Ji's book review was like that. This can be an ideal type of book review for fictional books as well, where the reviewer wants you to read more. Most of the reviews that we do are self-help oriented, and we all want you to learn something on it, knowledge section. And this one is like we want you to read the book itself. So one chapter is reviewed and the rest is being read by all of us. So yes, it's highly recommended, the book. So yeah, please go ahead, we can open the stage for discussions. That's it from my side. Yeah,
Wow,
but
Rupa ji saying she'll read it in Kannada. That's so nice. Maybe she can do a comparative, if all
yeah.
those who read Kannada can help us understand if really the translation is that great. It must be, I'm sure. I'm no one to say it that way, but
Yeah,
we can
because the
discuss.
heart lamp word is also in Kannada, no? That
Yes,
meaning.
yes.
Okay, I would like to ask a question to Amiji. So, like the plight of women in the Muslim surroundings, she actually portrayed the world around her. She, I think, did as is.
Mm,
She wrote as is, nothing fancy,
mm,
but just the situation.
mm.
So, do you have something in mind that we can also write along like that? Like it's an inspiration for us as well. कि हम भी अपने सराउंडिंग्स के बारे में ऐसा कुछ लिख सकते हैं,
Of
इवन दो इट्स
course.
नॉट वेरी इमोशनल. या
Of course, of course. Why not? In fact, I've done a small piece myself. I've tried something um, out of my window, you know. Uh, so, out of our windows, we can see a lot of things. And if we do not see, maybe दरवाजे के बाहर दिख रहा है, but उसको beautify करने के लिए आप out of my window कर सकते हैं. And we can write about small things, small little things. We see our milkman in the morning. अगर हम कुछ दिन उसको observe करेंगे ना, So there is a lot that can build up a short story around him. Similarly, our Dhobi, the one who comes to give us iron clothes, there are stories around him that can be built. Small little things, our own domestic help जैसे घर में एंटर होती है, आपको पता ही होगा, आई एम श्योर मोस्ट ऑफ यू विल अग्री, दे एंटर विद स्टोरीज एवरी डे, दे हैव अ न्यू थिंग. अरे भाभी आज तो ऐसा हो गया, अरे भाभी आज ससुर को एडमिट किया, अरे भाभी आज तो हस्बैंड ने बोला ये और करने ये चला गया. यू नो, सो दोस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स, आई एम श्योर इफ वी, that is why, you know, observation is a key. Really good writers, they have observed a lot, and once you start observing you pick up things. जैसे रुमित जी है, ट्रैवल पे जाते हैं, इतना ट्रैवल करते हैं, आई एम श्योर ही वुड बी कमिंग across so many people
Yeah, I
and
would
so many experiences, airport, hotels, restaurants, cafes, work also. Of course he's working, I'm not saying that he just goes for a pleasure trip. So uh, so what happens is when you start observing people, which is the best key to writing, you can start jotting down. And फिर क्या होगा, धीरे 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 it starts flowing. Go and sit in a cafe, you see so many people. और होता है ना, हम कैफे में या रेस्टोरेंट में बैठते हैं, हमारी नज़र बाजू वाले के टेबल पे, हमारी नज़र दूर वाले टेबल पे, एक तो सबने क्या ऑर्डर किया, क्या बातें चल रही है, वन ऑफ द पर्सन इज ट्राइंग टू लिसन ऑल्सो जब हम जाते हैं विद समबडी. सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स, आई एम श्योर we all can come up with so many short stories which can later be developed also.
Beautiful answer. Thank you so much, Amiji.
yeah, I would like to share on the same lines, because I commute daily, so I met so many auto rickshaw drivers, and so amazing stories. I have jotted down the every day, in short, whatever conversations we had, and they are so amazing. I mean, so inspirational at times. So I always have the habit of talking with them, so they, first of all, they feel very good that I'm talking to them. They
एक
say that let
अपनापन
us just
लगता है
talk.
उन लोगों को, you know, they
Yeah,
feel
yeah,
as
yeah.
if they are also
Yes,
important.
as if they are also involved and they feel so good कि कोई हमसे बात कर रहा है तो कोई बात नहीं करता है, सब अपने इसमें बिजी रहते हैं. पर मुझे ये आदत है, मैं हमेशा बात करती हूँ. And then I have so many stories, I've been traveling like daily, going to school and coming back. So, and I had this idea, that I really want to share. Even though they are auto rickshaw drivers, they have so much of knowledge and so much of
Yes.
wisdom. Wisdom especially, I was really amazed.
And school
Wonderful.
में मैम
Yeah.
आप जाते हो तो all the Aya bens, you know, the
Yes,
Ayas
yes,
and all the,
yeah.
I mean, if you see
Very,
these
very, very
people,
inspirational. Yes.
they're amazing.
या एक एक उनका किस्सा सुनेंगे तो ऐसा लगता है कि वी आर सो ब्लेस्ड एंड स्टिल दे आर सो हैप्पी दे वर्क दे
Yes.
रन अराउंड दे डू सो मच फॉर द किड्स सो लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स टू लर्न फ्रॉम देम.
The best part is I have seen, I have observed. I'm sorry for cutting in, but आपने बोला ना बच्चों का भी
नहीं
करते हैं, सबका
यस.
करते हैं. Despite all the sadness, all the sorrows, all the difficulties, एक त्योहार ऐसा नहीं होता जो वो सेलिब्रेट नहीं करते हैं.
यस
They
इतना
get
सज धज के
ready, they
आएंगे.
celebrate, they have fun,
यस.
they dance, and they eat, they enjoy.
दे एंजॉय इट. यस.
You know, सही माने में जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा. That
यस.
kind of a thing.
यस. यस.
Yes, Auntie ji, guards and office boys, absolutely.
Wonderful. So it's like actually giving them a voice through your words, your books,
या.
and empowering them in a way. Like Banuji actually empowered them through her cases and then her books. So yeah. All right. Anyone else? The stage is open. We have few minutes. Let's discuss. And I would request you all to turn on your cameras. बस कुछ ही minutes की बात है. Yeah. Hi, Santi ji. Rumit ji, would you like to share something?
Good evening, everyone. Actually, what I wanted to say is already said by Amiji, and as I have written in the chat box, she always, picks up the challenging reviews and intense reviews, and she is expert in, conducting such reviews. So
Thank
we
you
are
so much.
fortunate to have such buddies in our TBF with, multi-talent and really this, as we said, it is easy to do review of self-help books and other, but such intense topics and control your emotions and express it with the balance. So that is amazing skill, I would say. So we salute to Amiji. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Means a lot.
So true, Rumaji. Thank you.
Uh, I just wanted to say that your review was, absolutely soul stirring. I means the way you balanced your English prose with such, evocative Hindi words, this was truly very khubsurat. So you didn't just explain the plot, but you captured, about the authors, means Banu Mustaq's ehsas and how and along with that Deepa Bhasti's translation skills as well. So it's very rare to see a review which feels just like a piece of art itself. So thank you for sharing this
Thank you
perspective
so
with us.
much. Thank you.
Yeah.
Agree with Sandy ji. It was a piece of art.
Thank you, Amy ji, for the lovely review. And it was like, as everyone said, that your vocabulary and everything, your command in both the languages. I mean, Hindi maybe or English maybe, आप बहुत अच्छा बोलते हैं. And it's a pleasure to hear you. And there is a lot to learn from you. We do appreciate, and we learn a lot from your daily quotes that are shared in the group as well. And thank you for the wonderful review, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shweta.
Very true, Shweta ji. Thank you. Okay. Anyone else? Pinu ji, Suman ji, Aradhna. Hi, Priya ji. Would you like to share?
Hello. Hi, ma'am. So I actually read this Heart Lamp. This time I'm planning to read some books which will be reviewed, and I liked it. We know such stories happening around us, and no one actually says about it. So it's like each of the story feels like we have heard it somewhere, or maybe we have seen it. And your review is also amazing. How everyone said, I know your vocabulary and everything is like we are still learning from you and Reti ma'am. Both of you have too good English, and from Palak, the reading capacity. I'm trying to read a little bit more this year. I'm on my fourth book this January, whereas I in 2024 I completed only two books. So this is how I'm progressing, and I am loving it. Being a part of TBF, everyone is motivating me each day. Thank you.
Exponential growth. Congratulations.
Thank you. I need to write the story, but that is in progress. I completing 3,000 words is a challenge. Every day I'm trying like a small progress, 200 words per day. So hopefully by 22nd February, I think I may be able to produce it.
Wonderful. By 22nd, we'll be discussing our creatures or the drawings. So by 15th, you can, and before that also, you can discuss with me. Like we can write it together, something like that. Yeah. Any case, if you need any help like that, and we have Reti ji and Amiji for our whole flow of the story, grammar, everything. They'll be very happy to help, and they're amazing at it.
Okay,
I'm looking forward.
sure. Thank you, Palak.
All right. So I think it's apparent that we all might would read the book, um, and with caution. I must say it's quite emotional, especially like I'm not telling, but especially for women, because actually this is like this could be you, could have been you as well, like that वो एक ऐसा feeling आता है. Yeah, but fortunately grateful to God that we have been bestowed about this family जो इतनी supporting है. So yeah, I cried. I cried on the first story itself. I thought ये मैंने क्या पढ़ना शुरू कर दिया है. I usually read all the Booker winners and I didn't know what is coming next. Like you said, no, Amiji, that अगर तुम्हें पता है कि इट्स वेरी scary or something, will you read it further? And I read it further and I hurt myself. I cried and then still read it and then completed it. And then I told my mother कि अब मेरा mood off है, कुछ करो. So yeah.
That is actually the power of good literature, you know. That is what literature does. कई बार ऐसा हॉरर मूवी होती है, नहीं देखनी करके लोग देख लेते हैं, but that gives an adrenaline rush. But good literature, it, you know, it does something to your emotions. So थोड़ी देर के लिए आप छोड़ दोगे, फिर वापस लेके नहीं देखना है क्या हो रहा है. That is the beauty of these simple stories, you know. I mean, really beautiful.
Really. वो सैंटी जी ने कहा ना soul stirring. Soul
Yes.
stirring, वो बिल्कुल
Soul
सही
stirring.
है. All right. So I think with that, we'll end our session. Tomorrow, we'll be having a discussion on Focus on What Matters by Ruchi Mohanji. I'll post the poster today, right now. And also, we have reached February. Congratulations, everyone. I hope you have at least completed one book of the month. And Desipriya ji is completing 4. Most of us have been at least completed 2 books. So, no race, but yes, a target so that we increase our reading. Amazing, Riti ji. Congratulations. So I would like to remind you that our book review slots and Focus on What Matters slots are open for March because this month is done. So do connect with me if you would like to do a review for all of us in March, April, and Focus on What Matters as well. So do connect with me or Shungeri. That's it. And I think tomorrow at 7 p.m. we'll be having session by Zainab. It would be the last session. If her health is fine, then we'll be taking that session. Otherwise, I'll be talking to Anil ji and we might start taking the Gita session as well. So stay tuned. I'll report this to all of you. And I hope you're writing. Keep on writing, keep on reading. Thank you, everyone. Enjoy your weekend. Good night.